Hey guys, how are you? These are my split ends, but that's okay because they will be gone by the end of this video. So what I do is I blow dry my hair first, and then I go through it, make sure there's no kinks, and then I part my hair into sections, and then I put them into clips. And then after that, I get my Butter and Shine by Ite. Their product line is like very good, so I use it. It works really good on my hair, and it actually melts onto it melts in my hands, and I just rub it throughout my whole entire head. You only use a tiny bit, or you will look an oil heavy mess, and that's what you don't want. So what I do is I clip that back up, and then I use my pressing comb and press the back of my hair, all those little hairs, so it won't look all rough and stuff, and you won't have to work extra hard when you use the flat iron, because I know sometimes it could be hard trying to get those little hairs. And then I'm going to use my flat iron. It's nano titanium babyless, and you might want to invest in that because those are like really good flat irons. But yeah, I absolutely love it. But I'm going to let you all watch the rest of the video, and I am going to stop talking. As I was saying in the beginning, I'm using a nano titanium babyless flat iron. can see, I am finished, and this is the final look. And to lay your hair down is what I do is I get spritz. I spray it on my hand and I just rub just the top. I just like lay just the top down. And I don't know if it's in the video or not. I don't think it is. But yeah, I just get some spritz. It's called Super Hold. And you just spray it in your hand. You just rub the top of it on your hand. I'm sorry. On your hair, just to lay those flyaways down. And then I spray some on the comb, and I actually comb the bottom of my hair. And then I let it dry, and then I comb it again. And yes, you will have a crisp looking flat iron. And no, I do not have a perm. This is my natural hair. And like I said, I am getting ready for church. And I don't know what kind of lipstick that was. You know what? That wasn't even lipstick. That's primer by Mary Kay. But I was using concealer. You can use that as lipstick. I do, because it makes my lips look like really, really pretty. And it looks like matte lipstick once you mix the concealer and primer together. And this combo right here was just not working for me. Using my lips like super pale. But what you do is you want to put a little bit, not a lot like I did. I don't know what I was thinking. I was just probably feeling myself too much. But yeah. But what I did is I ended up taking it off and I put some more. I didn't put any more primer on because I already had enough. But what I did is I put on some pink lip gloss. And then after that, I put the concealer on. Just a little bit, and I rubbed it in. It was like really, really nice. I don't know why I didn't cut that out, but I'm sure I'm coming back, and I am back. I have to go get something out of my purse. This is the pink lipstick I was talking about, and that was like 99 cents from somewhere. I don't know. But yeah, that's concealer, just a little bit, then a lipstick. You know what, I don't think this was just working out for me, period. But there you go. Just a little bit, not a lot, because you're gonna look crazy. And this is my outfit. I got this top from Shein. And my skirt, I don't know, but this is my final look. Thank you guys for watching, and you all have a blessed day. Happy Mother's Day.